AN-IUU Network Center, therefore, was established by ASEAN member states in 2020, according to the resolution of the 41st Special Psalm. Thailand was assigned to serve as the AN-IUU Center and the country hosting of the AN-IUU Interactive Platform. After the AN-IUU was established, the focal points have been assigned by the member states to serve this network, comprising 1. Brunei Darussalam, 2. Cambodia, 3. Indonesia, 4. Lao PDR, 5. Malaysia, 6. Myanmar, 7. The Philippines, 8. Singapore, 9. Thailand, and 10. Vietnam. The ASEAN Network for Combating Illegal, Unreported, and Unregulated Fishing, AN-IUU, is the first mechanism implemented under the cooperation framework for the exchange of information pertinent to IUU fishing and related activities and aimed at successfully assisting ASEAN member states in their fight against IUU fishing. The AN-IUU will make it easier for its focal points to communicate, access, and sharing information in order to improve their performance in combating IUU fishing. Objectives of the AN-IUU are namely 1. To encourage regional cooperation in sharing information related to fishing activities and MCS data for the prevention of illegal fishing via an interactive platform, and 2. To improve the capacity and effectiveness of ASEAN member states in the fight against IUU fishing by the sharing of best practices, particularly on MCS, investigation, and experiences of agencies concerned. As a result of ASEAN member states' reliability on Thailand to serve as a country hosting the interactive platform and a location of the AN-IUU Network Center, Thailand has established a committee to drive the center's implementation. The committee will be in charge of organizing, supervising, overseeing, and supporting ASEAN member states in their use of the platform. Furthermore, the committee will develop a strategy to improve the platform's safety and compliance with international practices, which will contribute to effective information sharing and exchanging through the platform, benefiting the ASEAN member states' efforts to combat IUU fishing. The AN-IUU Network Center is currently located at the Fisheries and Fleets Management Division, Department of Fisheries of Thailand, with officers assigned to work as the administrator of the AN-IUU Interactive Platform, working 24 hours a day. The AN-IUU Network Center is in charge of data security as well as facilitation to member countries with advice on system use and problem resolution. The administrator of the center will manage the ASEAN-IUU focal points and fishing vessel, as well as handle difficulties and advise ASEAN member states on how to use the platform. The center officers are responsible for receiving, sharing, and transferring data and coordinating with relevant national and international agencies in the surveillance of suspected fishing vessels engaged in IUU fishing activities 24 hours a day. The AN-IUU Network Center remains committed to the improvement of the interactive platform to assure its maximum effectiveness, simplicity, and safety. ASEAN member states are encouraged to share information to strengthen the prevention, deterrence, and elimination of IUU fishing in order to ensure the country's and region's fisheries sustainability. This is demonstration video for using of the AN-IUU interactive platform for sharing the information of suspected vessel or IUU vessels that entered to our waters. The focal point can access the website via a browser by entering. The focal point will access into the website via browser by enter aniuu.fisheries.go.th/AN-IUU. In order to access the website, each focal point must use the username and password that have already been provided via email to them individually. Enter your username and password. Click Login. Alternatively, a focal point can log in via social media only after providing their email and having their account approved by the ASEAN Secretariat or the AN-IUU Network Center. After logging in, users are directed to the alert screen, where incident notifications are displayed. Let's start by introducing the key screen components to help users understand the system more easily. Displays the logged-in user's name and avatar. Sidebar menu. Main content area dynamically displays content based on the selected item from the sidebar menu. When a user clicks on a menu option, the corresponding content is loaded into this central workspace. The alert menu displays details of incident vessels shared by focal points. Click on Status to view more details. The bell icon indicates notifications when an incident is recorded or updated. The incident menu is used by focal points to share information about suspected or IUU vessels that entered to our waters. This menu displays multiple pieces of information in a table. The reporter is a focal point who submits or reports the incident to the system. The status column shows the current status of the vessel, such as warning. The incident number column is a unique, system-generated running number that is automatically assigned to each case when the incident record is saved. The incident date column refers to the date and time when the incident occurred. The vessels column refers to the suspected or IUU-listed vessels involved in each reported IUU fishing incident. The incident detail column provides a narrative description of the reported IUU incident. The Create button is used to initiate the entry of a new incident report related to illegal, unreported, and unregulated IUU fishing activities. To create the incident, that it must contained by 4 parts. 1. Vessel. 2. Incident. 3. Timeline. 4. Collaboration. The vessel part is included with vessel's picture that can be uploaded by click on Upload button. The file selection window will appear, as shown in the image. Navigate to the folder where the vessel image is stored. Select the desired image file, for example, JPG or PNG. Click Open to upload the image. Multiple images can be uploaded, but each file must not exceed 15 megabytes in size. The image will appear on the form. Vessel Identification section. This section requires key vessel identification details. The vessel name is mandatory. If certain identifiers such as MMSI, IRCS are unavailable, they can be left blank, but please provide as much information as possible. Status will be displayed automatically if the selected vessel matches records in the RFMO's IUU listed or domestic IUU list menus. Vessel Information section. In the Vessel Information section, focal points are expected to fill in general details about the vessel, such as fishing gear type, vessel size, year of build, and country of build. OWN/operator/crew section. Click Create to add each crew member's details if crew member information is available. After clicking the Create button, this window will appear for entering crew member details. The first name is required. You can complete other fields such as rank, ID/passport number, nationality, contact information, and upload a photo. Click Save after entering all required crew details. In this section, focal points are required to enter details of key individuals associated with the vessel, such as the current owner, operator, or vessel master. Vessel tracking data can be recorded in 3 different ways. Vessel Tracking section. 1. Drawing Tracking Manual by using the Draw icon on the right-hand side. 2. Click the Import button and upload a .csv file formatted according to AIS standards. Click the Import button and upload a .csv file formatted according to AIS standards. Clicking the Import button opens this window. Drag or select a file to upload vessel tracking data. The sample file ais.template.csv is available for download. 3. Enter vessel tracking data manually by clicking the Create button. This form for manual vessel tracking entry. Time, latitude, and longitude are required. Optional fields, please provide as much additional information as possible for better tracking and verification. Click Save after entering all required details. The incident part is used to record details of illegal or suspicious fishing activities. This information is shared with ASEAN member countries to support joint monitoring, investigation, and early warning. Details to be provided include: the incident number is automatically generated by the system and is used as the reference ID for the report. The status for specific what stage the incident is in and how serious it is. Warning means the vessel or incident is suspicious. Restricted means there is solid evidence that IUU activity has occurred. Declassified means the issue has been resolved or found to be unrelated. Incident date is the date and time when the incident occurred. Coordinates or general area of the incident. Incident detail is the description of what happened, required. Additional remarks or observations, optional. Attachments. Upload supporting files, max 15 megabytes per file. The timeline part is used to record the sequence of actions taken after an incident is reported. It helps track progress and document enforcement or investigation steps related to the IUU incident. The focal point and other relevant members can share the sequence of actions by clicking the Create button. The collaboration part is used to define visibility and share incident information with other member countries or specific users. It enables secured targeted collaboration across the AN-IUU network. Private, visible only to the reporting user. Collaborate, visible only to selected focal point member states. Public, accessible to all AN-IUU focal point members. If the visibility option is set to collaborate, select authorized countries or users to grant incident access. This list shows focal points assigned as collaborators for the incident. The ongoing chat section allows real-time communication between focal points involved in the incident. It is used to exchange information, ask follow-up questions, or coordinate actions regarding the reported incident. Only focal point members who have been granted access through the collaboration setting or when the incident visibility is set to public can participate in this chat. And click Save. A pop-up appears for the focal point to confirm saving. A checkbox allows sending a notification to collaborating focal points, or it can be unchecked to skip the notification.
This is an example of incident data entry and information security collaboration. In this first scenario, Focal Point A from Thailand rejects a vessel suspected of engaging in illegal activities, identified as vessel number 1. A warning and relevant information are then shared with Focal Point B from Malaysia, requesting surveillance of the vessel in case it attempts to enter Malaysian waters. Malaysia has conducted surveillance operations following the alert received from Thailand regarding vessel number 1. As a precautionary measure, Malaysia has denied port entry to vessel number 1. A photo of the vessel taken by the Maritime Patrol Unit is attached for verification. Further monitoring is ongoing to track the vessel's movement. In this second scenario, Focal Point A from Thailand rejects a vessel suspected of engaging in illegal activities, identified as vessel number 2. A warning and relevant information are then shared with all ASEAN focal points, requesting surveillance in case the vessel attempts to enter their waters. Thailand has rejected IUU vessel number 2 due to illegal fishing activities. All ASEAN member states are advised to monitor and report any sightings of this vessel. Attached are the vessel's photo and last known GPS coordinates.
Menu, RFMO's IUU list. This page displays fishing vessels designated as IUU, illegal, unreported, and unregulated by Regional Fisheries Management Organizations, or RFMOs. The data is compiled and maintained by the administrator of the AN-IUU Platform, who is also responsible for updating the database regularly. The platform displays information such as current flag, vessel name, vessel type, RFMO name, IMO number, MMSI number, IRCS code. Click the button with the eye icon to view more details. After clicking the View button on a listed RFMO's IUU list vessel, this screen displays detailed information including vessel identity, vessel information, RFMO information, and commercial history. Vessel Identification section shows essential vessel details such as name, IMO, MMSI, IRCS, flag, and type, as shown in the screen. Vessel Identification section shows essential vessel details such as name, IMO, MMSI, IRCS, flag, and type, as shown in the screen. RFMO Information section shows detailed RFMO records and historical listing data for the selected vessel. Commercial history shows past changes in the vessel's name, flag, owner, operator, IRCS, and registration. Each history tab includes the following columns: from date, to date, period when the record was valid, value, the specific name, flag, owner, etc. used during that period. Watchlist menu displays as a list of suspected vessels or IUU vessels which input by focal points via the incident function. It will be provided information such as current flag, vessel name, vessel type, IMO number, MMSI number, IRCS code. Click the button with the eye icon to view more details. After clicking the View button on a listed watch list entry, this screen displays detailed information including the vessel picture, vessel identification, vessel information, owner, operator, crew details, commercial history, and links to any related incidents. Each section can be expanded or collapsed to show or hide details. Incident section displays any incidents associated with the vessel as reported by a focal point. Clicking the eye icon opens the full incident details. Domestic IUU list menu displays a list of IUU vessels that will be listed by each member of Asian member states.
AMS.
The focal points are able to input the information by clicking on Create button and then fill out the information and provide the details of vessels, why they had been listed as an IUU vessel, and click Save. Focal point menu displays the details of focal points. Asian member states are able to update or change focal points by providing the update of their focal points through the Asian Secretariat and AN-IUU Network Center. The administrator will be responsible for update and generate the new username and password for the updated focal points.
Report menu, the focal point will share any reports, news, and any best practices on combating IUU phishing among the focal points through this platform. Reports can be searched by entering keywords and clicking the search button. Or use tags to filter topics. Focal point can click on plus add post icon button. This screen is used to create and upload a new report to the AN-IUU system. Topic input is used for entering the report title, required. Image input is used to upload an image as the report cover photo. Tag input is used to categorize the report for easier search and filtering. Detail is the main content area for entering the full report with text formatting tools. Regulator, the focal point will share their national law and regulations associating fisheries or combating IUU fishing among the focal points for their interests. Share file menu. Under the Owner tab, all attached files from the incident menu can be searched, stopped, or deleted by the focal points who uploaded them. The Share tab displays attached files from the incident menu shared by other focal points. These files can only be viewed. About Us menu provides general information of AN-IUU, including information about the establishment of AN-IUU, Asian Network for Combating IUU Fishing. Link menu displays a list of links which focal points can click on and will be reached to relevant websites.